Hi, welcome to Andy's Kitchen where we're going to cook everything. Come on in, come on in. So guys, I came home later and I want to do something quick and fast. I'm a lover of soup, any kind of soup. If I just water and something, soup, that's me. My favorite dish, soup. So I'm gonna do some ramen soup, ramen noodle soup. That's something gonna be very quick and very fast, but I'm gonna put my twist to it. So I'm gonna use pumpkin, some Jamaican chicken noodle, some shrimp, the small shrimp. You don't have to go with the large one. This is cheaper. This is some chicken sausage, and this is scallion and thyme and pepper. So I've pre-cooked the pumpkin because I'm going to use it as a base to thicken my soup. So I'm crushing my pumpkin that I can get the color and some body for my soup. Okay, I don't know, some people don't use pumpkin skin, but I do use everything. You know, I know there are nutrients in the skin, so I use the skin. I'm gonna add some more water to this pot and add my ingredients. I'm checking my pot. So this is it with the pumpkin. I'm gonna add my sausage. My shrimp. My seasoning. And of course, I'm gonna add some of my Maggi chicken noodle soup. I love Maggi chicken noodle soup. You know, sometimes I put it in my rice. If I'm cooking rice, I put it in. This is a cheap way, affordable way of making soup, and this is nutritious with the shrimp, the sausage and everything. It's very nutritious and very tasty also. So I'm also gonna add my ramen noodle. I'm gonna let it come to a boil, then I add the noodle to it. But guys, I love soup so much that I use anything to do my soup. Anything you can think of. So in the coming week, I'm gonna do a chicken soup or chicken foot soup or something, cow foot, or a combination of everything. But soup is something that I love, really love soup. And a lot of people's specialty is soup, and my favorite dish is soup. So I think, you know, I'm very good in soup. So people tell me that I can make good soup, you know. So I will show you. Okay, it's boiling. Look at the color, people. It's very colorful. The pumpkin that give it that color. And you know, ramen noodle, you know that is very cheap. You can get an entire pack with like 5 for $3 something, you know. So I'm gonna break my noodle into, my hands are clean, guys. You know, I've washed my hands at the beginning. So I'm gonna put two noodles, two pack of noodles in the soup. That's This can be, that can serve for like 4 people. I think I'm gonna need some water. I'm gonna need some more water under this. But let it start boiling. And this is the sauce. There's some seasoning that come in the soup to give it some taste. So I'm gonna add this to the pot. And it tastes very nice, people. It tastes, it's a little salty, so you don't even need to put much salt or any salt at all in the pot, because it's, let me taste it. Wow, you don't need to put any salt at all. The only thing I'm gonna add right now, it's a little garlic powder. Yes, a little garlic powder to give it some taste, along with their seasoning. That's there. And as I say, this is quick and it's fast, very nutritious. It's, you know, and this is something that anybody can do, even a child can do. But you don't have to, if you are hungry, if you come home from work and you know you're tired, this is something that you can do very fast, very quick. Look at the color. So guys, I think it's ready. So I'm going to turn my stove off, and here it is. I'm going to serve. Oh Lord, I want more liquid. But okay, so this is the finished dish. I think it dried out a little bit too much, but this is it. So I'm gonna eat my quick soup, my ramen soup. So you have here the shrimp and the sausage and the noodle. This is good. It's cheap, affordable, and it's quick. Try this, guys. I want you to try this. This is good.